Roll down your window.
No, I'm not going down.
Roll down your window.
Fuck, get out of here.
Roll down your window.
We're not doing nothing wrong. We didn't do anything wrong.
Roll down your window.
No,
Yes.
we didn't do nothing wrong. Get out of here, man.
Roll down your window.
No, sir.
Yeah, I'm stopping you for 925 for suspicious drug activity.
You're fucking insane. Get the fuck out of here, bro. You're insane. Get the
Roll
fuck
down
out
your
of
window.
here. No, I would like to talk to you, sir. Get the fuck
Okay,
away
you're
from me.
detained.
No. How? For what? We're just sitting here, man.
No, it's suspicious activity. You just dropped off 3 transients in
No,
an
talk
alley.
to your sergeant now. Fuck that. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
No.
You're fucking insane.
And you
Get
didn't
the
have your
fuck
seatbelt
out of
on.
here. Get the
And your
fuck
brake light's broken.
His license plate's not in front of him.
Hey,
out of here. I want to talk to your sergeant. No, I
no,
want to see
get out of the car.
Sergeant. Sergeant.
You're in 22.
Sergeant,
He's
sergeant.
requesting a sergeant.
Sergeant, please.
He's refusing to roll down his window.
Sergeant, please. Sergeant. Now. I'm not getting no.
The sergeant's coming. Turn off the car.
No.
Turn off the car.
We're not talking.
Hey, we're gonna break your window.
What are you doing that shit, man? What are you doing, bro? Open the door. No, I'm recording this shit. I'm recording.
Hey, we're gonna break your window, dude.
Fuck that. For what? What the fuck? I'm recording this shit. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Don't put it in drive, dude.
You're gonna get sued, bro.
Don't put it in drive.
You're gonna get sued, bro. You're gonna get sued. Look, my hands
Don't
are
put it in drive.
Look, I'm recording you now, bro.
Turn off the
Go
car.
ahead, motherfuckers. Break it.
Go ahead.
Break it. Look.
Oh, you give me
I'm
permission
recording.
now?
No, fuck that. Don't break my window, but look. I'm recording.
I'm telling you right now, you're violating you're impeding our investigation. Hey, you just keep your hands on the headrest, dude.
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
No.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the fuck? Drug activity? How?
You don't have
How
reflective
drug
license
activity?
plates.
How? What the fuck are we doing that's wrong? You're insane, bro.
You're detained.
Give a fuck, dude. Bring the sergeant, please.
My lieutenant's here.
Bring him,
He's right here.
please.
He's right here.
What the fuck were we doing wrong?
I just told you.
Well, how? Explain how we did something wrong.
Your license plate aren't reflective.
Oh my fucking god.
He just
Anything
dropped off 3
before-
transients in the alley that all skedaddled out of here. His license plate's not reflective. There was 3 other ones that just got out, and they walked up to like that fence and were hanging out back there, and we pulled up and they all skedaddled. He's got 1 in the back, and then
333, 330,
he's up here.
What's your
No,
lieutenant?
he's right here.
Someone more. Hey man, there's no reason for him to stop. We're not doing nothing wrong.
If you got stopped, you got stopped. I'm not going to debate it with
You
you.
didn't follow this from all the way to Palma.
I'm not going to debate it with you. Yeah, he also took the side streets. I'm not going to debate it
What are
with
you
you.
doing, man?
He passed us
You're
together.
supposed to be helping us out too.
I'm helping. Okay, so follow the orders of the officer.
What are we doing? What? He said suspicious drug activity.
Okay,
How?
I'm not going to argue with you.
How was it suspicious drug activity? You guys are insane.
Okay, you have vehicle code violations on your car.
Fucking open my door, you fucking retard. The fuck's wrong with you?
Told him I was going to break the window if you guys
You're
don't
gonna break the
open it.
window? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead, I'm gonna sue
Why don't
the
you
fuck
just get
out
out?
of you. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, I'll sue the fuck out of you guys.
Why don't you just get out?
Nah, fuck you, man. You don't even want to help us.
I'm helping you.
How?
How do I help you? You got to get out of the car before I can help
How
you.
are you gonna fucking help me when you're not even worrying
Got a window jam, dude? Window breaker? We're gonna break it, dude. Don't put it in drive.
I'm recording it, bro.
Don't put it in drive. It's taking off. Pull my sirens. Come on, go ahead, put it out. We're in pursuit.
And give him 3 units, K9.
K9 from Rock.
We pitted it. Successful pit. No, it was dope. roll 66. Have him stage.
Driver, let me see your hands. Let me get another body. We have 2 passengers.
Negative. We have 2 in the vehicle. Successful pit. Vehicle's disabled. And we're going to be just south of the 91.
Sergeant Clark. Yeah. You got one in there?
No, the backseat driver was about to foot bail, but
No one ran though.
no. No one hopped out. They're both still in there.